Yo guys, my name is Kola and here's a demo for my travel consultant workflow. Now I built this for my one of my recent clients that works in the travel consultant and travel agency niche, and we've gotten really positive results. And now let's get straight to the workflow. Now once you click on the link, because I'm using Typeform, so once you click on the link, you'll be redirected to a Typeform page. You would see something like this. Then it would ask, it's going to you're basically going to do an assessment. It's going to ask for your contact info, ask for the country you're applying to, ask for your purpose of travel, ask if you have a valid international passport, ask for your travel history, ask for your monthly income, past visa refusals, your employment status, and your travel timeline. Then after that, you will see an ending page like this. So once that's done, I connected this platform to my n8n workflow using a webbook node. You basically come to this place, click on connect at the top, and you see something like this. You come over to the workbook site. Once you come over to the webbook side, you click on add webbook node, you paste your production webbook. So ensure that it's your production webbook URL, not your test URL, because it won't work if it's your test URL. So now on the anytime side of things, we've got the workflow. So this is the workflow, the webbook node, the model node. This time I'm using we've got the switch node to route it to different parts. This is for the high visa probability, medium visa probability, and for the low visa probability. We've got the wait node, basically set to 2 minutes. We've got the Gmail node that would send their answers. The Google Sheet node, we've got the and then another Gmail. This wait node is a day, and the second Gmail node is basically to send a success story. Now, for each one of this mail is going to include a booking link, a meeting booking link that you could easily click on, and you will be redirected to the meeting booking interface. So we've got open data here. So if you want to build it, you just uh, come over to the plus sign, you search webbook node and you add it. So once you click on search and you add your webbook node, you search webbook. Once you search webbook, you would see it here. Now this is the webbook. So once you click on it, basically add it to your workflow and you open your webbook node. That I'm basically going to show you how you get your production webbook URL. You come over to the production webbook URL, you copy it and you paste it in the Typeform section I showed earlier. Then you switch your HTTP method to post. So you'll be able to retrieve the data. You leave this section alone. The authentication should be none, and the response should be immediate. Now this is just a pin data from my recent executions. Then for the AI model node, you could choose any AI model of your choice, be it Gemini, OpenAI, Claude, any other one. So for me, I went for Gemini. And if you want to open AI, you basically start it, click on it, you set your instruction, you set your operation to message a model, and as you click on message a model, you automatically add it to your workflow. And this is how the message a model node looks like. So you could either make it the n8n connect for your free trial, which you would have $5, and or you could add your Gemini credentials. You basically go to Google AI Studios, then you get your API key, copy it, and come over to this section. You click on create a new credential, then you paste your API key in this section, and you click on save. That's all. But for me, I've added my API key, so I don't have to do that. So you come over to the model section, you choose any model of your choice. For me, since I'm using Gemini, I'm going for 2.5 Flash, and this is basically the prompt section. So I added two prompts. One was my system prompt, the other was my user prompt. Basically, I wrote each one using ChatGPT. You could write yours using Claude, Gemini, or ChatGPT, any one of your choice. My user prompt is pretty simple. I just asked it to evaluate the visa applicants based on the answers. So for the system prompt, I gave it some yardsticks or some stats to use, like assess um the visa applicant's answer. Then based on that, it would output the answer as either high probability, medium probability, or low probability. So now you add the switch node. Once you click on this place, you basically search switch. So once you search switch, even before you finish typing it, you would see the switch node pop out. Now this is the switch node. Now once you add the switch node, quickly open it. So once you open it, you could add various conditions. For me, the condition I added was simply three. So one was the AI output it gave me was high probability was medium, or if the probability was low. So you basically map it into the section. You choose the routing ruler screens, and basically you do that for you have the three conditions, and that's all. So you see three different parts, and for each one of these parts we added the wait node. Now for the wait node we got a node of 2 minutes for each one, but for the sake of this video I added one to be 2 seconds, so we'll be able to get it. And this will be followed by the Gmail node. Now, once you open your Gmail node, it's pretty simple to add your credentials. You basically click on add credentials and you go with the OAuth 2, and you basically just sign in, and that's all. So you make your resource message, the operation should be sent. The answer you got from your web node, you map it, and the Gmail will show basically from the contact question I showed there. But for my email type, this is I'll show you guys how it's going to look. And you must always ensure to, like, your any append n8n attribution must be turned off, or else at the end of your mail you would see something like this mail was sent by n8n, and you don't want to see something like that. So you basically go out. I did the same thing for the three nodes, but it's basically going to be different response. This response will be for high probability, medium probability, and low probability. Now this is going to log them into the CRM, and the CRM we are using is Google Sheets. It's pretty similar to this as well. You just sign in using Google, and you source it should be sheet documents, operation should upload. You choose the document you want to use, and the sheet you want to use. Then you map every single thing, and that's all. Then the special wait node is meant to wait for a day or two, and this other Gmail node is basically success story. It's also in HTML, so everything is basically similar. So then a stop and arrow node. So each one of these nodes, you want to search them. For example, the Gmail node, you basically just come here and type it. So if you want the Gmail node, you just click on it and you search it, and you see it there. If it's Google Sheets, you come over here and search. Let me test the workflow, and you see how it looks like. So I've pinned the data in the webbook node, so I don't have to like go and take the test over again. So once I click on execute workflow, and now once I click on execute workflow, the AI there is going to you know assess the answers, and I'll put the coming from the webbook node, then I'll put the results. Now for this is going to the medium probability route, so it's going to pass through the wait node. This wait node is 2 seconds, just for the wait for the sake of the video. Then Gmail node this and this and that. So once you publish it, everything is going to be working perfectly. So let me show you an example of what the mail would look like, and yeah. Alright, so this is this is basically an example of what the mail for the result will look like. So this is it, something like this. So once you click on this, book your free consultation, it will redirect you to the car.com booking page, and you could easily select the kind of meeting you want. So for the success story, this is how it looks like. Now for the success story, this is how it looks like. It also includes the car.com booking link as well. So that way you ensure that the actually books a meeting with you. So let me wait till the car.com page opens. Okay, so it's gonna look like so the client would basically be redirected to a car.com page like this. Once they click on book your free consultation, and they choose any meeting other choice, maybe the 15 minutes or the 30 minutes, and they book the meeting with you. Now for this meeting duration, you could either increase it or decrease it based on your choice. And yeah, basically that's all about it. So for the Google Sheets side of things, you would see the lead that just got logged right now. So this is it. You can see the name, the Gmail, the visa probability, the study, the visit purpose, the destination, the passport question, their travel history, their monthly income, visa refusals, employment status, and timeline. So you basically see everything. So basically that's all about the system. And yeah, you guys will get to see a lot of other workflow automations from me as the every single week, because I'm going to be releasing new videos every single week. So subscribe, like, and smash the like button and share. So if you have any questions about the workflow, just comment in the comment section, and I'll try my best to answer your questions. Thank you.